You're listening to That Home Loan Hub. I'm Zibuni Salimova, here to make home loans and property investing simple, smart, and stress-free. Let's get you closer to your property dreams. Hello and welcome back to the episode with Kunj. Hey, Kunj.
Hello, how are we?
Good to have you back.
Thank you. It's good to be back.
Yeah. Let's address something here that's very important to our day and age. You know, a few episodes ago, I did an episode with Panos from Adapt and Fly. Yes. And we talked about how the future is AI.
Yes.
And as scary as it sounds, I think it's also hitting our industry.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
And let's talk about the pros and cons of AI in our industry today and how it can affect the consumer.
Yeah, well, AI, is making things a lot simpler, a lot faster. It's doing the thinking for you as well. So I guess in terms of our industry, it's helping with the application process and things like that. However, you're still going to need a human hand to help in some cases, such as if your application is complex. So complex applications come through all the time. Everything's not just black and white. And I think AI is built for just that black and white fitting into that standard status quo, simple, you're working, you've got the deposit, and it passes the servicing criteria.
Yeah, so it's interesting because AI just really looks at can you afford or you can't afford. Versus when we look at the application, should you be able to afford that or not, and we actually dig deeper with the clients.
Yeah.
And there have been cases recently where the bank's algorithms would decline the application because AI just wouldn't like certain bits of it, as you say.
Yeah.
But this is where the power of mortgage advisor comes in, where we can overturn and we can actually get a human to go behind and dig behind it and look further.
Yeah.
Yes, AI does speed up certain bits of the application, but I think it's not going to replace the industry entirely. As we just discussed off the record, you still need a human with empathy.
Yeah.
You still need someone that cares for you and listens and understands you.
Yeah. Well, I mean, people have stories, right? I think we covered off in the other episode about debt collection and how you went into default and things like that. And that's because a life moment may have happened, but you can't tell AI that. So you need a human to understand the story of why it happens, and you need a human to mitigate that fact and help you out and get that approval across the line to overturn it.
Yeah, exactly that. So you just nailed it on the head. So basically, when we look at the purchase, when you guys are buying a house, you're not getting a mortgage. You're buying a house.
Yeah.
You're buying a place to make a home.
Yeah.
You are not getting just a home loan fixed for 5 years.
Yeah.
You're getting a place where you can raise your children,
yes,
where you can play ball with your dog.
Yeah.
You are buying with emotion. You're looking
absolutely
at the color of the kitchen, you're looking at the bathrooms and everything else. So this is the most important thing to understand and recognize, is that we know you're buying a home. And how can we make this home work for you? Versus AI just looks at purely the numbers of, does this number reflect the current market?
Yeah.
And gives you algorithms of what your loan structure should look like.
Yeah.
But it's not interested in what sort of renovations are you going to do to it, or what sort of plan you've got in the future as well. So I think humans are not going to be replaced anytime soon.
No.
We just need to learn how to work better and faster using AI. But that emotional side of things will remain.
Yeah, I mean, AI is database, isn't it? So it is actually a human putting in data to create that AI to be able to do what AI is currently doing. So it's still a human base.
Yeah, exactly. And I think it's important for people to understand that when they're sitting there and searching online for the best mortgage, for the best deal, yes, you may click some buttons, and yes, you may get a pre-approval on the bank's app, But if you don't have another human to talk to and bounce your ideas, then what's the point?
Yeah, you could be picking the wrong structure, the wrong, product as well.
Yeah, exactly. And then getting trapped into something that you don't want to be trapped in, and it will be really hard to get out of it.
Yeah.
So to wrap it up, quick and easy episode on AI is not going to replace us.
No.
We are not going anywhere.
We're not going anywhere.
And if you do want personalized advice, I think a broker, an advisor that understands their stuff, coupled with powerful AI technology, is a match made in heaven.
Yep. Definitely a good match there.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you, Kunj. And hey, guys, don't forget, I do run some awesome webinars. So if you do want to learn more about housing, how to get onto the property ladder, or how to expand your property portfolio, feel free to reach out, where I talk plain, simple English and make you understand what's important so you can get ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. And that's a wrap on that Home Loan Hub. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join me next time for more property tips and tricks. Your next smart move starts here.